To transfer assets to a Morgan Stanley IRA, start by gathering the necessary documents and information. You will need your Morgan Stanley account number, the name and address of the financial institution currently holding your assets, and the type of assets you want to transfer. Next, decide on the type of transfer you want to make. You can choose from a direct transfer, also known as a trustee-to-trustee transfer, or an indirect transfer, also known as a 60-day rollover. A direct transfer is generally recommended as it avoids tax penalties and is typically faster. Now, contact Morgan Stanley to initiate the transfer process. You can do this by calling their customer service number or visiting their website to download the necessary transfer forms. Fill out the forms accurately and completely, including the name and address of the financial institution currently holding your assets. Once you have completed the forms, submit them to Morgan Stanley along with any required documentation, such as a statement from the current financial institution. Morgan Stanley will then contact the current financial institution to initiate the transfer. It is essential to note that the transfer process can take several weeks to complete, so be patient and monitor the status of your transfer regularly. You can do this by contacting Morgan Stanley or checking your account online. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to review and understand the transfer process and any associated fees before initiating the transfer. It is also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor to ensure that the transfer aligns with your overall investment strategy. In summary, transferring assets to a Morgan Stanley IRA involves gathering necessary documents, deciding on the type of transfer, contacting Morgan Stanley to initiate the process, submitting the required forms and documentation, and monitoring the status of the transfer. By following these steps and seeking professional advice, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer of your assets.